Okay, guys and gals, about 10 seconds of the obligatory disclaimer. If you want to read the whole thing, just pause the video. Okay, everybody, welcome to Feeder Cattle Futures January 2022 contracts. That symbol is /GF for those that want to know. What am I looking at here? I'm looking at the daily chart. So what's going on here? Well, a couple days of weakness. And unlike feeder cattle, we didn't get this gap up going on. So this is pretty legit. Not trying to fill any gap. 2 days of down. Okay, a little bit of a divergence warning going on there and here. Looks like they want to try to come down. So 50 days. Let me zoom in just a little bit so everybody can see us a little better. Okay. 50-day moving average, kind of like that. Yeah, it tends to revisit it, right? Every time we get, and I've talked about this many times before, every time we get a lot of amplitude, we get a big wave. What am I talking about waves? Well, waves. Waves. See them? Okay, that one's a little bit of a weird one, right? Look familiar? Radio waves. Okay. What I want to say. Electricity is measured in hertz, waves. Okay. Solar radiation measured in waves. Solar cycles have a very, very predictable wave pattern. And look at this. Wave pattern. It's everywhere in life. Okay. Life follows cycles and patterns, and waves are very common. So, without getting too fancy and diving too deep, I think we'll probably at least come down here somewhere. Maybe not get all the way down to it, but probably going to approach that 50-day at some point, okay? So even if I get aggressive here, okay, and we get lazy with the wave, then 163. I doubt it. I think it's going to be lower, like way down in here, 162, okay? That's being super conservative. More than likely, it's going to happen something like over here, like around 160. So on the daily chart, if I had to just eyeball this without getting too deep in analysis, I'd say 160 is in the cards. Okay, that's here. 161. Okay, do think that's going to happen. All right, look at the monthly. Kind of a mixed signal here. Got a mixed signal going on. And that's got a little bit of strength. But this, as I said yesterday and been saying for a while, on the monthly chart, feeder cattle just looks kind of, for the moment, doesn't look weak, doesn't look strong, just kind of sitting there. Okay, let's look at the weekly. Might be running out of steam here. Kind of running out of gas. Chug, 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 chug. Wop, bop, whoop, ba-bam. Boom. Could be running out of steam. Right? But it's a rising 50, which is a good sign. But we got some things here saying it's going to come down. But if the rising 50 stays the course, which it might, okay, just generalizing here. Next low will be like 159-ish. Might take a few weeks for it to happen. Okay. Something like that, possibly. Could go on longer. Okay, be mindful of that. That's kind of what I'm thinking I'm seeing there on the weekly chart. Okay, let's look at the hourly. I don't show the hourly to the public, or even the 5-minute chart. Rare that I show that to the public. So if you want to take advantage of on all the products I cover, crude oil and wheat and gold and natural gas, and I sometimes cover other products if I think it's possible. I do trade alerts. Okay, premium members, $5.99. Okay, can't give it away, guys. Super cheap. Take advantage of it. Had a lot of people sign up, and some people are making good money. If you didn't watch the S&P 500 video from earlier today, I'll put a link in the description. Go watch it. Really good. A lot of people made some good money on the market going down. Believe it or not, yes, you can make money on the market going down. You just need to know how to do it. Okay, hourly chart. wow, looking weak. And even though these guys, this one may be saying it's going to go up, maybe. Maybe you get this bounce. Maybe. We'll see. It bounced off of this one right here. Okay, but we're right at this spot in the hourly chart where it's kind of hard to tell what's going to do. Okay, a little bit difficult. I don't really want to make a prediction right at this moment because it's a little bit hard to know when you're sitting in this kind of area right here. So what I would say is, if tomorrow, which is going to be, it'll be on this side of this line right here, what happens? Does it go up and begin to do its thing? Because this is saying it's going to break below the 50 hour. Okay, that's what it looks like to me. And it wants to break below the 50 hour. Okay, so that's just my best guess right there. Okay, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Give me a thumbs up. Really appreciate that. Don't forget to click that little bell to be notified of all the videos as they come out. Take advantage of that membership. Okay, talk to you all real soon again next time.